In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off parental controls in Google Play Store. Parental controls in the Play Store limit apps, games, movies, and other content based on age ratings. If you're allowed to remove them and you have the PIN, the process is quick. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your device. Look to the top right and tap your profile icon. From there, go into Settings. In the Settings menu, find the Family section and choose Parental Controls. You'll see a switch for parental controls. Turn that switch off. The Play Store will ask for the PIN that was created when parental controls were first set up. Enter the correct PIN, then tap OK or Confirm. As soon as the PIN is accepted, the restrictions are lifted, and you can browse and install content without those limits. If you don't see the Family section right away, don't worry. Menu labels can vary slightly by device or version. Just keep an eye out for parental controls inside Settings. Also, if you use multiple Google accounts on the same device, make sure you're on the account that actually has the controls enabled. You can switch accounts by tapping your profile icon and selecting the correct one. If you've forgotten the PIN, you won't be able to turn the controls off directly. In that case, you need to reset the Play Store app data. Open your phone's settings, go to Apps, choose Google Play Store, then Storage, and tap Clear Data. This resets the Play Store's local settings, which removes the parental controls and the old PIN. It won't delete your installed apps or your purchases, but it can sign you out, and you may need to accept terms again when you reopen the Play Store. After that, if you want parental controls later, you can set a new PIN from scratch. If the toggle won't turn off even after entering the correct PIN, or if the option is grayed out, check whether the account is managed by Family Link. When a child's account is supervised, the parent or guardian controls these settings remotely. In that situation, only the parent can disable parental controls from the Family Link app or their own account. You'll need to ask them to remove or adjust the restrictions. That's it. Open Play Store, head to Settings, Family, Parental Controls, toggle off, enter the PIN, and confirm. If you've lost the PIN, clear the Play Store data, and if the account is supervised, contact the Family Link manager. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your Play Store back to normal.